Welcome to the David L. Hirschfeld Department of Engineering, where we offer ABET-accredited bachelor's degrees in civil and mechanical engineering that will prepare you to step into a thriving engineering industry the moment you graduate. Whether you're interested in creating the cities of tomorrow, getting humans back to the moon and beyond, or building cars and other automotives, our engineering faculty will teach, guide, and mentor you to become a practice-ready engineer. So prepare yourself for a new world, one where you will design and build the machines, buildings, vehicles, and infrastructure of the future. At Angelo State, you won't just sit in a classroom, you'll gain valuable experience in our Hunter Strain engineering labs. Here, you'll get hands-on experience with the latest and advanced equipment, testing fluids, soils, metals, composite materials, as well as having the option to make your own designs a reality in our Student Projects Lab. You'll also have access to the latest engineering software through our virtual computer lab. In addition to the labs, you'll be supported by our Engineering Hub, which offers free tutoring and an inviting place to meet and work with your classmates. As a RAMgineer, you also have plenty of opportunities to make industry connections. We take you out of the classroom and lab and onto active engineering projects, where you'll get a first-hand look at professional engineers on the job. You'll interact with members of our Industry Advisory Council that includes leading professionals from local, military, and statewide engineering firms. They help keep our programs on the cutting edge, and they provide paid internship opportunities. Speaking of internships, you can also take advantage of our internship agreements with many other local and state engineering firms and agencies, as well as nearby Goodfellow Air Force Base. Of course, your campus experience wouldn't be complete without a bit of fun. Join the RAMgineers student organization to network and get to know other engineering students. Ever tried concrete bowling or built a full-size rocket? Well, here's your chance. You can test your skills in state and national engineering competitions, such as the NASA Student Launch Initiative or the Student Steel Bridge Competition. Ready to learn more about how RAMgineers lead the way? Explore our website or talk to your admissions counselor today. We can't wait to welcome you into the RAM family.